Hello, everybody, and welcome to 30 Highland Ave in Hull. We are here at a 4-bedroom, 3.5 bath, lots of bonus space with amazing views of Boston Harbor. Let me show you. We're in historical Hull Village. This place is amazing, loaded history. This is Boston Harbor right here, guys. Now, as we're going through, I want you to count how many windows have ocean views. All right, we're gonna start here. We are currently in the sleeping porch, on the sleeping porch. I want you to look at this. Look at this right here. Look at this detail. This is amazing. This is an antique house. Now, one thing about sleeping porches is that they are great for pandemics. They're something of a pandemic trend, and this is an antique house, a new one. So you can sleep and have the breeze come in, nice fresh air. If somebody in your house is sick, you can come sleep out here. They can come sleep in here, out there. You know what I'm saying? So we've got this gorgeous French doors throughout the house. You can see right here, there's fans and lights, full electrical out here. We're gonna walk in to the grand living room. Look at this fireplace, guys. It's a marble fireplace, original, working. Everything in here is gorgeous. Now, some of the furniture might be a bit dark for you, but obviously when it's yours, it's yours. You see that other fireplace there? Every fireplace in this house is working. So let's count, see if you can count those windows. That one right there even has an ocean view. Oop, we're moving a little bit in the wrong direction. Now from here, I'm going to take you in to this small room. There's fireplace number 2. This would be a great study. Or you can put, your TV over here, have a nice cozy room. This room also leads into the kitchen. There's something I wanted to show you in here. Let's go back here. Look at this. Look how stunning this is. It's just so gorgeous. There's crown molding throughout the entire house. Now we're heading into the kitchen. Look at this. This door out here, this leads to an outdoor kitchen. It's a beautiful little retreat area. I'm going to take you out there just real quick. Look at this gorgeous coral outdoor shower. With the falls, you can always put a mosquito solution in there to keep mosquitoes at bay. Not that you need to on the ocean. It's not really a problem on the ocean. And from here, you still get those views. I'm gonna go back inside. Got nice granite countertops, nice sturdy cabinets, stainless steel. Look at this beautiful gourmet oven, Viking. Everybody wants a Viking. Oh, bear with me, I'm not used to this little gizmo. Look at that stunning, stunning dining room. That dining room also has views. These windows have views right here. Oop. Chandelier is gorgeous. You don't see those anymore. Now look at the molding. It's a little bit of Victorian glam right there. No big deal, just waterfront views with your Christmas dinner. Now off the kitchen, we have a full bath. It's a shower. You know, some of this wood might be too dark for you, but once again, when it's yours, you can make it yours. Okay, this house has central air, so that means gas heat, gas hot water. I'm not sure if it's all of Hull, but definitely this area has town sewer. We're gonna go up the stairs here. This house also has a generator for any of those storms. It's also not in a floodplain, which is key. Hull is 7 miles long and I think a maximum of 2 miles wide. So anywhere really on the South Shore, a generator is always a good thing to have. It's bedroom number 1. All ocean views, and I love that light on that ceiling. Nice big closets. Let's see. Nice big closets. All the closets in this house are cedar. Big closets are hard to find in antique houses. So there you go. Another thing I love about this house is that the 2 bedrooms up here are super isolated. Right now we're in the master suite. Look at this closet. Awesome. This is the master bath. Now, who doesn't want to take beautiful white and gold glass shower? This is the master bedroom. Once again, start with this window right here. All water views. Take a look. Can't leave out the fireplace. Beautiful working fireplace in your bedroom. Another thing is, throughout this house, almost all of the air vents are ornate in that style. Nice, white, very beautiful. Okay, now from here, we are going to go into this bedroom over here. They have used this as an exercise room in the past, but it is a laundry room. Look at that. Nice ceramic slop sink in your laundry area. Working here with water views. This is real neat right here. This closet has a built-in desk. You don't even have to show that this is your office. Oops. Bear with me here. All right. Brand new bathroom. Nice and clean. Now, granted, this one does not have the views that the master has, but that's what makes the master special. All right. It has that nice little built-in shelf there, so you don't have things falling. Beautiful tile work. Okay. Now this is the other bedroom that I mentioned that is nice and secluded. Now I see this for maybe an older family member that has moved in, maybe wants some privacy from the rest of the riffraff in the house, if you have kids and maybe you have a parent moving in, or anything you can really imagine. I love these little cubby areas. That's great for playing. All right, so what else are we looking at today, guys? Any questions? All right. Oh my gosh, we've got, I've got to center this so I can show you. No, I can't do it here. Can I go like this? There, that is not a painting. That is an actual window. Now I'm going to take you into the basement. How many windows are we at, guys? Have you counted them all? All right, basement. Basement is partially finished. It's not included with the square footage, so it's bonus square footage. Here we go. There is a nice handy toilet in this storage and utility room right here. Looks like a pretty new one too. It hasn't been sitting there. Now this is an antique home, but look at this floor. To me, this looks like a nice leveled concrete floor. Very new, painted. See what I mean? There's another slop sink here, right outside that storage room with, of course, more storage, right? And here we go into the heated garage. There's 2 garage doors here. But when you come in here, look at this room. Look at this bonus room. This is great for a workshop. A workshop, a gym, a playroom. Could be an office. You could be the next tech company to work out of a garage. That's a joke there. You want to hear another joke? What did one snowman say to the other? Do you smell carrots? I know, it was super dumb. I don't know why this is acting crazy on me. Anyway, thank you for attending. If you guys are working with agents, make sure you give them my information. If not, and you have a home to sell, This is just a piece of my marketing plan. Oops. Oh my goodness, what just happened to you? This is just a piece of my marketing plan. Feel free to reach out. My number is 774-454-4999. See you later, guys.